Hey guys, I represented AtitaFitness. We are done, and I appreciate you guys for the support. Let's do this together. I still feel good. I just finished a few minutes ago.
But I don't.
Business Idaho. Look at Virgin coming through from parts unknown. Look at Ohio's Rock Casper. Hey, how about that? Great team.
Just have to drive this guy back, but I feel so sad that I have to take it back. Look at the view up there. 2026 is already changing my life. I'm not the same person I was just a few months ago. If you're new here, my name is Dennis Atita, also known as AtitaFitness on social media. I'm a full-time coach and a content creator. To understand where I am today, you have to look back at how the journey started. At the end of last year, I made a decision to step outside of my comfort zone. I explored life in a deeper way. I spent Christmas in Mexico shortly after I traveled to Honolulu to celebrate Sparkle's auntie's birthday. From there, I found myself in Washington, D.C., Colorado, Phoenix, Arizona, and I went to Washington, Seattle. This wasn't just a trip, it was intentional. I was connecting with people, learning, growing, and searching for my next big move. This year started strong. I didn't just set goals, I committed to my goals. One of the biggest milestones so far has been running half a marathon in Sedona. It challenged me mentally, physically, and emotionally in ways I did not expect. Instead of stopping there, I leaned into the challenge even more. I'm now officially signed up for 2 full marathons, one in Eugene, Oregon on April 26th and another one in Honolulu, Hawaii, December 13th. But this journey is not just about me. I'm also the founder of AtitaFitness, a community back in Kenya that supports women in soccer and fitness. What started as a small group of 20 women, led by my mom, it's becoming something much bigger. Our mission is to create a space where women can be active, build confidence, and grow through fitness and sport. This year, I also made it a priority to invest in my education. I took a course in women's health and fitness where I learned how to better support teenage girls as well as women in different stages of life, including pre and post menopause. And this knowledge is transforming how I coach women. If you would like to support what we are building within this fitness and help us continue growing this community, you can donate through my Venmo or Cash App. The links are in my YouTube bio. Every contribution makes an impact. As a full-time coach, I'm also focused on building my brand AtitaFitness with intention, because this is bigger than workouts. It's about impact, purpose, and changing lives. And if you're watching this right now and feeling stuck in your fitness journey, I want you to hear this. You're not alone. I'm currently offering a free consultation session, and I'm taking 2 clients on Saturdays. If you're serious about making a change, this is your opportunity. 2026 is not about staying comfortable. It's about becoming the person you said you want to be. So the question is, are you going to stay comfortable? Are you going to stay the same, or are you ready to grow? If this message inspired you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment, I'm ready, if you're serious about leveling up this year. Let's grow together as AtitaFitness family. And thank you guys for supporting me, always supporting me. I can't wait to share the progress that we have made this year. Thank you guys for watching the whole of this video. Thank you guys for being part of AtitaFitness. Thank you for the support, and thank you for watching my videos. I look forward to give you the best content, and I'm going to start a podcast soon. Bye.